1.
How was your flight?
Oh, it was great. My flight was overbooked, and the airline asked for volunteers to go on a later flight. I volunteered because the next flight was only an hour later, and the airline gave me $300. It pays to be bumped.
2.
Did you have a good flight?
Ugh, no, it was terrible.
Oh no, why?
The flight was fully booked, so every seat was taken. I was crammed between this guy who was snoring the whole time and a really messy kid who got his chips all over me. I couldn't wait for it to be over.
3.
Did you have any trouble finding the house?
No, not at all. We used the GPS, but it sure was a long drive.
Did you stop anywhere?
Yeah, we stopped at a rest stop about halfway here to get a cold drink and stretch our legs. It was really hot out, and there were a ton of people there. I guess it was a good weekend for road trips.
4.
How was the drive?
It was okay.
Really? You look worn out.
Well, I guess we are pretty exhausted. It was so hot out, and the air conditioning broke an hour into the trip. We stopped at the halfway mark to switch drivers and eat lunch. Then we had trouble starting the car.
5.
Did you enjoy the ride?
Oh, it was great. It was nice to just relax and not have to worry about driving. I read my book and did Sudoku puzzles the whole way. And I met some really nice people too. They were on their way to Boston too. I don't know why I've never taken the train before.
6.
How was the trip?
Pretty good, I guess. I don't really know because I was asleep the whole time.
Really?
Yeah, pretty much. I started reading a book, but then I fell asleep and didn't wake up until 10 minutes after my stop. I had to get off the train and get on another one going the other direction. I'll have to set the alarm on my phone next time.